Hey guys, as you may know, my first 3 vids are very poorly editing. So I'm gonna start editing those ones and deleting the old ones in a series to make them better to watch. So I'm starting off with, it was in the back to school update, I was teaching monkeys. So let's get to it.
And you're so cool, Nick out.
Orange.
I know. Orange.
Orange, what's the gosh darn answer? Alright, Robin, what's the answer?
Leave now. Press Nick.
Tell me the gosh.
I know, bro. I know.
Four.
Pick me.
It's 4.
Pick me.
What is it? Okay, 4, he got it. Okay.
4. Guys, I'm late. Oh, sorry. I was late.
Where's your tardy slip, mister? Where's your gosh darn tardy slip? Thank you. Okay.
She's a bitch.
What's 7 times 3?
54.
That's
Oh, hell no!
Teacher,
Alright, guys.
can I go to the bathroom?
Who's talking?
Teacher,
Yes, Robin?
teacher, can I
Orange.
I'm allowed to go to the bathroom.
Alright, yeah.
I'm allowed
Red,
to go to the bathroom.
you go. Orange, you have to wait till Red gets back. You know how it goes.
What? I said
Just
it
kidding. I'm a
first.
cool teacher. Go ahead.
Yay! Hey, that's why he's Batman, guys. That's why he's Batman. Wait! You're black! Yo, racist!
I didn't want to have to do this to one of my students on the first day of school.
Sorry, snuck out of school for a little bit.
Bobby.
Teacher?
Alright, guys. It's snack break. Go. Leave me.
Oh, boy.
But do we have math? Do you have math though? Math though?
We already did math.
It's Timmy
You're good.
again.
You're good.
It's Timmy again.
I think you missed
It's
math.
Timmy again. I recognize the voice.
We're just gonna let Timmy be.
Yeah,
Let's just let Timmy be.
bitch.
Timmy's trying to be nice now.
Yeah, bitch.
Can I change my character again? Can I go back to my character?
I don't care. Do whatever you want. It's break. Get out of my classroom.
Okay guys, now we are going to edit more later, but hope you enjoy this class.